Hello and welcome to Tales English, the warm and friendly place where you can listen, repeat, shadow, and speak English step by step, just like learning with a trusted friend. My name is Daniel, and I'm so happy you are here with me today. In this story, I will guide you to speak English using many simple, real-life sentences that are easy to remember, useful in daily situations, and powerful for building your confidence. I will speak slowly, repeat key words, and keep everything clear and natural. Your job is to listen carefully, pause when you need, and speak with me. You don't have to be fast or perfect. You just need to try. Today is about real practice that you can use every single day to make your English strong and part of your life. Think of me as your friend walking right beside you. You can sit, stand, walk, or even lie down while listening. You can speak out loud with your full voice or whisper softly to yourself. But the most important thing is to speak, because speaking is the key to progress. Let's begin with something simple. Repeat after me slowly. Hello. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I am from England. I live in a small town. It is quiet and friendly, full of kind people. I like my town very much. Do you like your town? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. These short questions and answers are the foundation of real conversation. With just a few simple words, you can already talk to someone and share a little about yourself. Now, let's add more details. I wake up early in the morning when the sky is still soft and the air is cool and fresh. I stretch my arms, open my eyes slowly, and take a deep, calm breath. I feel grateful for a new day. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cool water. I take a warm shower and feel clean and fresh. I put on my clothes, thinking about what kind of day it will be. I eat a healthy breakfast with bread, eggs, and some fruit. I drink a cup of tea and enjoy the quiet moment. I look outside the window. I see the sun rising above the houses. I hear birds singing. I smile and feel thankful for this morning. Then I take my bag, put on my shoes, and get ready to leave the house. I go to school to study English. I open my book and read aloud. I write in my notebook. I listen to English sentences. I repeat them slowly. I make mistakes, but that is okay because mistakes mean I am learning. I keep going. I try again. I never stop. Each time I speak, I feel proud and a little stronger. I believe in myself. These sentences are short and clear, but they are powerful. Every time you use them, your English becomes stronger and more natural. I remind myself that every small step counts. Even one new sentence today will make me better tomorrow. Let's continue with more parts of the day. I work in an office after school. I greet my coworkers with a smile. I turn on my computer and start my tasks. I write emails. I talk to my colleagues. Sometimes I make phone calls. I drink water to stay fresh. I eat lunch with my friends. We talk about our day and laugh together. In the afternoon, I feel busy but happy because I'm learning and working. When the day ends, I close my computer, say goodbye to my friends, and head home, feeling good about what I've done. After work, I walk home slowly, enjoying the cool evening air. I look at the trees, the sky, and the people around me. I notice small things, a bird flying, a child laughing, a bicycle passing by. I feel thankful for another day. When I arrive home, I take a short rest. I sit on the sofa. Sometimes I close my eyes for a moment and just breathe. Then, I help prepare dinner. I cut vegetables, stir the soup, or set the table. I eat with my family, and we talk about our day. We laugh together. After dinner, I wash the dishes, clean the table, and help tidy the kitchen. I brush my teeth again. I change into comfortable clothes and feel relaxed and peaceful. Before bed, I open my English book again. I read a few pages. I say the words out loud. I write down a new word and use in a sentence. I listen to my own voice. I smile because I know I am improving. Sometimes I listen to a short English story on my phone. I repeat some sentences softly, just like talking to a friend. I close my book, brush my teeth, lie down, close my eyes, and quietly say thank you for this day. Slowly, I fall asleep feeling calm and proud, ready to learn more tomorrow. This is my normal day. These are my real sentences. You can say them too, right now. You don't need to wait. You don't need to study difficult grammar first. Just listen, repeat, and speak. This is the natural way to learn, the way that feels simple, fun, and real. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak. One sentence today, one more tomorrow, and slowly your English will grow stronger, more confident, and more natural. The more you speak, the more you will feel English becoming part of you. Now, let's try some useful questions that you can use anytime. Where do you live? What do you do every day? What time do you wake up in the morning? What do you eat for breakfast? Who do you talk to at work or at school? What do you usually watch at night? What time do you go to bed? These are simple questions, and you can answer them easily. For example, question, what do you do? Answer, I'm a student. Or, I'm a teacher. Or, I work in a shop. Question, what do you eat for breakfast? Answer, I eat bread and eggs. I drink tea. Or, I eat fruit. I like bananas. Easy, right? You can even add more details. I eat bread with jam, or I drink tea with milk. Every extra word makes your English richer. Let's say a full morning routine together. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open the window to let in fresh air. I see the sky turning bright. I hear the birds singing happily. I take a deep breath and feel calm. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face. I feel clean and awake. I make tea and sit quietly while drinking it. I think about my day and write a short plan. I feel ready to start. I take my bag, lock the door, and leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I listen to English on my headphones. I repeat some sentences softly. I smile and feel strong because I am learning. I tell myself, one step at a time, one sentence at a time. I can do this. When I arrive at school or work, I greet my friends and teachers. I sit at my desk, turn on my computer, and begin my work. I read messages, reply to emails, and finish tasks step by step. I take a short break to stretch my arms, drink some water, and relax my eyes. Then, I return to my tasks and work until everything is done. After finishing, I feel proud of myself. I walk home slowly, enjoying the quiet streets, the trees, and the evening sky. I breathe deeply and feel peaceful. Sometimes I stop for a moment to watch the sunset. I enjoy its colors and feel happy to be alive. At home, I help cook dinner. I eat with my family, and we talk and laugh together. I wash the dishes and clean the table. Then I go to my room, sit down, open my English book, and read aloud. I say each word clearly. I repeat sentences again and again. I write new words and use them in short sentences. I smile because I can feel my English growing stronger. Finally, I brush my teeth, lie down in bed, close my eyes, and say thank you for this day. I sleep peacefully, ready for tomorrow. I know that tomorrow will bring new words, new sentences, and new chances to grow. This is a simple day, but these sentences are your tools. You can change the words to talk about your own life. You can say what is true for you. The more you speak, the more natural it feels. Soon English will not feel like a test or a fear. It will feel like your friend. So let's keep going together. I will guide you, and we will walk side by side, one sentence at a time, every single day. With patience, kindness to yourself, and daily practice, you will see your English grow like a tree, slowly but strong and beautiful. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you enjoyed this story and want more lessons like this, please like this video, leave a comment, and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Tales English and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Let's keep learning and growing together, one simple sentence at a time.